Welcome. Today is a blissful day. Today entering, we are actually formally entering Vedic knowledge organization mathematics. This is the attainment of Vedic mathematics of Ganita Sutras. Ganita Sutras make the base of the mathematics of organization of Vedic knowledge. We shall begin with the text of Ganita Sutras and Ganita Sutras as Vedic mathematics prayer. One shall begin this course as a scriptural course. One shall approach it the spiritual way it deserves, and one shall always begin with the prayer of Vedic mathematics, which is the text of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras. One shall sit comfortably and to recite the text of Ganita Sutras and Ganita Upsutras. Ganita Sutras make a complete scripture in themselves. Ganita Upsutras as well make a complete scripture in themselves. As such, the prayer can be first as the text of Ganita Sutras to be followed by the text of Ganita Upsutras, and after some recitations in the evening as the last prayer of the day, one can make a prayer of the consolidated format, the integrated format of the text of Ganita Sutras and Ganita Upsutras. This prayer as an integrated prayer, as an evening prayer, as the last prayer of the day will be of 29 steps. One shall recite with faith. One shall recite this prayer out of the printout within one's mind. One shall sit comfortably, close one's eyes, and to recite this prayer faithfully. This text is the whole text. Once one shall be having complete printout of this entire text of 519 letters in one's mind, and once one will be blissfully reciting this text as Solomon prayer, one shall be ensured complete bliss of this mathematical domain. The Ganita Sutras text is organized as per the structural keys embedded in its very first sutra, Ekadhiken Purven. As such, after the prayer, one shall sit comfortably and to glimpse and imbibe the values of organization format features of the formulation Ekadhiken Purven. One shall transit from the letters alphabet of this text to its numbers alphabet, and from numbers alphabet we have to reach at its Sthapatya, and from Sthapatya we will be reaching at Jyoti, and from Jyoti we shall be reciting at Jyoti Pravaha, Divya Ganga Pravaha. Therefore, our prayer shall be complete only when we will be having blissful revisit to the organization format of the text of Ganita Sutra 1. The text of Ganita Sutra 1 is preserving our structural keys. The structural keys of entire mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras 1 to 16 are lively within the mathematical domains of these 16 individual letters of the text of Ganita Sutra 1. With this, one shall revisit the yoga disciplines of Gita. There are 18 distinct yoga disciplines. These are Arjun Vishad Yoga, Sankhya Yoga, Karma Yoga, Gyan Karma Sannyas Yoga, Karma Sannyas Yoga, Atam Sanyam Yoga, Gyan Vigyan Yoga, Akshar Brahma Yoga, Raj Vidya Raj Gohi Yoga, Vibhuti Yoga, Vishwarup Darshan Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhag Yoga, Gunatraya Vibhag Yoga, पुरुषोत्तम योग, देव असुर संपद विभाग योग, श्रद्धा त्रय विभाग योग, मोक्ष संन्यास योग. These 18 formulations are the source formulations of transcendental values of 18 distinct disciplines of yoga. The text of transcendental values of 18 disciplines of yogas are lively within these 18 formulations. As such, the 16 formulations of the text of 16 sutras, together with these 18 formulations of disciplines of yoga, make a range of 34, and value 34 is the summation value of four folds of hypercube 9, the representative regular body of 9 space, Nav Brahm. These 14 formulations are the source formulations. The beginning is with these 34 formulations, and reach is also these 34 formulations. So beginning and end is at the same moment here. The entire in-between exercise is of the form of correlation between the mathematical domains of 16 Ganita Sutras and transcendental values domains of 18 disciplines of yoga. In this background, we will be reaching at sequential organization format of correlation of Ganita Sutras and Yoga disciplines chapters of Gita. The tabulation on the screen in its first column mentions Ganita Sutras, second column mentions the chapters of Gita, the third column mentions the structural keys, the values. Therefore, these 16 sequential steps are the complete exhaustive chase range of this correlation. Our exercise with which we are initiating ourselves today for our first step in this session, it is as that this sequential organization format of correlation of Ganita Sutras and Yoga discipline chapters of the Gitas are to be exhaustively covered as a pilgrimage. Our intellectual pilgrimage is going to be of 16 steps, and the first step of it is going to be, to which we are exposing ourselves today. It is the correlation of Ganita Sutra 1 with Gita chapter 3 with the help of structural keys of sixth vowel, that is value 6, that is 6 space, that is Surya, sun, the manifested body of 6 space. Therefore, the first sequential step focus is to remain upon the correlation of Ganita Sutra 1, Ekadhiken Purven, with Gita chapter 3, Karma Yoga, and the same is to be in terms of structural key 6, that is a Surya. One may have a blissful pause here and take note that the chapter 4, Gyan Karam Sannyas Yoga, is well preserving as a reminder that it is this yoga, it is this discipline, it is this system which was imparted by Lord to Son in the initiation phase and stage of creation itself. Therefore, our sequential chase steps when we'll have sequential transition, then it also will be simultaneously making it a complete system in itself, self-sustained system, self-exhaustive system, and therefore while we shall be having a visit and while we shall be having a chase, say, initiated with the present chase step 1 of the correlation of the values of mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 1 with the Karma Yoga of chapter 3 in terms of structural key 6, then our eye naturally is to be upon its transition for the chase step 2 of Ganita Sutra 2 Nikhlim Navasta Charmam Dashata with Gita chapter 5 Karam Sannyas Yoga. The structural key of second chase step is to be 4, and the interrelationship of values pair 6 and 4 is of the format of 6 space domain and 4 space as a dimension. However, the structural keys base is that in the initial phase and stage, 4 space will be in the format phase and stage of domain, and at the next phase and stage, 4 space will be in the role of a creative boundary. We shall be specifically visiting these blissful aspects to acquire full insight, to attain appropriate enlightenment about this system. Therefore, sadhakas are fulfilled with the density urge to have complete bliss and full enlightenment shall visit this correlation table and have its full imprint in one's mind so that the mental state is of the format and features which has acceptance of this higher dimensional organization of the Vedic knowledge. Therefore, once we are at the first chase step of Ganita Sutra 1 as value 1, Gita chapter 3 as value 3, structural key as value 6, and space domain as a Surya, then we can see as is tabulated 1 will take us to 1 cross 1, 3 will take us to pair of linear dimensions of synthesis, and structural key will take us to triple linear dimension synthesis, and the Surya Ank will take us to the first perfect number. Therefore, the chase step 1 has its foundation, has its basis, has its initiation in terms of this correlation of 1 cross 1, pair of ones and triple ones in the background of the perfect number 6. The texts which are to be visited, which are to be imbibed, which are to be worked out are the text of Ganita Sutra 1, Ekadikain Purve, the text of Ganita Up Sutra 1, Anurupain, and the text of Karma Yoga The text of Vinita Sutra 1, Ekadhiken Purve, is a composition of 16 letters. The text of Vinita Sutra 1, Anurupen, is a text of 10 letters. And the Karma Yoga is a range of 43 shlokas. The formulation Karma Yoga itself leads us to TC value 26, and the 16 letters as Shodash formulation as well takes us to TC value 26. We shall be coming to these very aspects, as it is in terms of these values that we will be having real attainment of the applied values of the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 1. As the Vedic mathematics of Ganita Sutras is having its manifestation as its applied values in the form and formation of organization of Vedic knowledge. Therefore, first of all, let us have an exposure, a visit to the broad organization features of Vedas. There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samveda, and Atharveda. Rig Veda is of 21 branches, Yajurveda is of 101 branches, Samveda is of 1000 branches, and Atharveda is of 9 branches. At present, we are having only half dozen of them. The whole remaining big range has not reached us. Our bliss lies in our urge and success to work out, to decipher out, to have a reach at this entire range. It will be going to be Vedic mathematics, science, and technology exercise. Therefore, students, sadhakas, scholars of Vedic mathematics are have an urge, and their satisfaction and success lies in revival of the entire Vedic literature. Out of 1131 branches, we are having only about half dozen of them. Remaining have not reached us. Remaining are waiting for the enlightened scholars to revive them. There is a big exercise, there is a big challenge, and we are preparing for it. These 1131 branches are of 4524 scriptures, as each branch has its distinct Samhita, distinct Brahmana, distinct Arnik, and distinct Upanishad. Therefore, so big spectrum, so widespread sheet of the Vedic knowledge is, but only about a few dozen of them are available with us. Remaining are to be revived, these are to be enlivened, these are to be reached at, and it is the challenge for which we have to prepare ourselves. In this background, we can remind ourselves as that each Veda as a pure discipline has parallel applied discipline, and these are Upavedas. Each Ved has its Upaved. Rig Ved has Ayurved as its Superved. Yajurved has Dhanur Upaved as its Upaved. Samaved has Gandharva Ved as its Upaved. And Atharved has Sthapatya Ved as its Upaved. Vedic mathematics, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies are the disciplines of Sthapatya Ved, that is as the Upaved of Atharved. Therefore, we have to initiate ourselves, we have to equip ourselves We have to potentialize ourselves for Sthapatya Ved values to reach Atharved, and from Atharved we have to reach at Samved, Yajurved, and Rigved. Therefore, our this present exercise, our this learning is a learning of the format of Sthapatya Upaved, and it is the Sthapatya Upaved which is going to provide us the geometric alphabet. From letters alphabet, we have to reach at numbers alphabet, and from numbers alphabet, we'll be reaching at the geometric alphabet, the Sthapatya. The entire Vedic literature has not reached us, but fortunately, the source scripture, Sakal Rigved Samhita, has reached us intact from its first syllable to its last syllable. It is the oldest book of mankind. It is the scriptural reservoir Samhita. The entire range of values of Vedic knowledge are lively within this scripture. So we can revive the entire Vedic mathematics in terms of the values lively in this Samhita. The Sakal Rigved Samhita is a scripture of 10 mandals. It is simultaneously organized as 8 astaks. It is organized also as 64 chapters. It is also organized as 85 anvaks. There are 1024 suktas. There are 2028 vargas. The richas are 10,552, and the manifest written letters are 3,97,265, and unmanifest unwritten letters which make the foundational format for its organization. These are 34,735. Therefore, sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to have a blissful undertaking and a success for revival of the Vedic knowledge which has not reached us is to begin with and is to make use of the values lively in Sakal Rigved Samhita. And in fact, we are preparing ourselves for this very exercise. And this exercise, in a way, will amount to having a full transition from the numbers alphabet to Sthapatya geometric alphabet. The Devanagari alphabet is available to us in the form of letters alphabet, and from this letters alphabet we will be reaching at the numbers alphabet, which is in the form of Dive Ank Vivasta, and from the numbers alphabet we have to reach at Sthapatya alphabet, geometric alphabet, and this alphabet is to be reached at as is the organization of the Sakal Rigved Samhita. And once we will be having a reach at the Sthapatya geometric alphabet, from there we will be having a reach at the Jyoti reservoir, and then we will be having a reach at Divya Ganga Parvaha. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge shall start making their own transcendental code values dictionary. This transcendental code values dictionary is the dictionary which transits from the letters alphabet of word formulations to their respective numbers alphabet. We have to translate, we have to convert, we have to transform the word formulations of letters alphabet into their respective numbers alphabet. And it is in this direction, for this help, we are here having tabulation of as many as 9 groups. The first group is a Mool Ank. So in column 1 is a mention of a serial number of the entire tabulation of 9 groups. Column 2 gives the tabulation serial numbers of the specific group, and the column 3 gives the formulation, word formulation in the letters alphabet format, and column 4 gives its transcendental code values. These 9 groups are having enlistment of 101 word formulations. We know there are 101 branches of Yajurved. Yajurved is the Ved of Yajna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita well preserves the enlightenment as that at the initiation stage of creation, the entire creation was created by the Creator in terms of yajna. Therefore, these 101 formulations shall be made the initial entries of one's dictionary, and one shall continuously enter upon, and one shall continuously update the transcendental code values a dictionary. So the first group is of Moolank, which are 9, and then it is about the Shiryo, then it is about the Ved, followed by the scriptures names, then structural formats, then organization formats, followed by the Purans names, Upanishads, and Adi, Madhya, Ant of Panch Mahabhut, which have a reach from Prithvi to the pole star. One shall revisit these 101 formulations. One shall make these formulations as entries of their dictionary, and one shall continue updating one's dictionary. It is in this background that we have to have initiation for the chase of our chase step 1. Our chase step 1 is in the 3 terms of the perfect number 6. Therefore, we shall be blissfully having a successful chase, and for it we have to sit comfortably, when we have to permit our mind to continuously remain in trance and to have blissful chase of these values of correlation of Ganita Sutras with the yoga disciplines. From next session, we shall be taking up the specific and general values, features of pure and applied values, implications of the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 1 in the background of the Karma Yoga. Thank you very much.